Have you ever wondered what sets billionaires apart from the rest? It's not just about the money, it's about their secrets, the strategies they use to build and maintain their wealth. In this video, we're going to reveal the 5 secrets that billionaires use to amass their fortunes. These aren't just any secrets, they're easy to implement, don't require special skills, and they've been proven effective by others. Stay tuned to discover the 5 secrets of billionaires that you can put into practice to get rich in 2024. The first secret of billionaires is that they set clear goals and have a compelling vision for their future. Imagine a ship setting sail without a destination. It would drift aimlessly, wouldn't it? The same applies to us. Without a clear vision of where we're headed, we can easily lose our way. Billionaires understand this. They don't just dream, they envision. They don't just hope, they set specific, measurable goals. This clarity of vision keeps them focused, motivated, and resilient, even in the face of setbacks. Let's take Jeff Bezos, for instance. His vision wasn't merely to create an online bookstore. No, his vision was to build the world's most customer-centric company, where people could find and discover anything they wanted to buy online. This clear, bold vision guided Amazon's growth from a garage startup to a global giant. It served as the company's North Star, influencing every decision, every strategy, every innovation. Now, how can you apply this secret? Start by defining your long-term vision. What do you want to achieve? What impact do you wish to make? Be as specific as possible. This is your North Star, your guiding light. Next, set SMART goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These are your milestones, your markers of progress. For example, if your vision is to build a successful tech startup, a SMART goal could be to launch a minimum viable product within the next 6 months. Write down your vision and your goals. Put them somewhere visible so you're constantly reminded of where you're headed. Review them regularly, adjust them if necessary, but never lose sight of them. Remember, a vision without action is merely a dream. So don't just dream. Envision. Don't just hope. Set goals. This is the first secret of billionaires, and it's within your reach. So remember, start by writing down your long-term vision and setting SMART goals. The second secret of billionaires is that they are continuous learners. This isn't about obtaining degrees or certifications, although those can be beneficial. Rather, it's about the relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. It's about staying curious, questioning the status quo, and never being satisfied with what you already know. You see, the world we live in is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging, markets are shifting, and consumer behaviors are changing. To stay ahead of these trends, continuous learning is essential. It helps you spot opportunities that others may miss and equips you with the skills needed to seize those opportunities. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He's not just a billionaire. He's a pioneer who's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in industries like electric vehicles and space travel. But did you know that he didn't start out as an expert in these fields? In fact, Musk famously taught himself about rocket science by reading books. He didn't let a lack of formal education in the subject stand in his way. Instead, he took it upon himself to learn, to understand, to master. So how can you apply this principle of continuous learning in your own life? Well, it's easier than you might think. Start by setting aside time each day for learning. This could be as little as 15 minutes or as much as a couple of hours, depending on your schedule. Use this time to read books, take online courses, watch educational videos, or even just to ponder and reflect. Try to learn about a broad range of topics, not just those directly related to your field. Remember, Musk learned about rocket science to build SpaceX, a seemingly unrelated field to his initial ventures in the tech industry. You never know where the next big opportunity will come from, so keep an open mind and never stop learning. And don't forget, learning isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's also about applying that knowledge, so don't just passively consume information. Instead, think about how you can use what you've learned to improve your life, your work, or even the world around you. So make sure to set aside time each day for learning. It's a simple habit, but it's one that could make you a billionaire. The third secret of billionaires is that they build strong networks and relationships. Yes, you heard that right. Networking is not just a buzzword. It's a crucial element of the billionaire's success recipe. They understand that relationships are the bridges that lead to opportunities, knowledge, and growth. They value the power of a strong network and invest their time and energy into nurturing these connections. Why is networking so important, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple. Networking opens up new opportunities that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. It allows you to learn from the experiences and insights of others, and can even lead to partnerships that elevate your business to new heights. It's like having a secret key that unlocks doors to rooms you didn't even know existed. Let's take a look at one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett. Buffett attributes much of his success to his partnership with Charlie Munger. Their relationship, built on mutual respect and shared values, has been a cornerstone of Buffett's investment empire. This partnership didn't just happen overnight. It was cultivated over years of networking and relationship building. So how can you apply this billionaire secret to your life? Here's the good news. Networking isn't exclusive to billionaires. It's something we all can and should do. Start by attending networking events in your industry. These events are a great way to meet like-minded individuals and potential mentors. Join professional groups and forums related to your field. These platforms provide a space for you to share ideas, gain insights, and establish your presence in the industry. Lastly, remember that networking isn't a one-way street. It's about cultivating strong relationships. Be genuine, offer help when you can, and always show appreciation for the help you receive. So, start attending networking events, join professional groups, and cultivate strong relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. The fourth secret of billionaires is that they diversify their income streams. Now, what does this mean, you might ask? Well, think of it this way. If you're reliant on a single source of income, you're putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket falls, you're out of luck. But if you have multiple baskets, even if one falls, the others can keep you afloat. That's the power of diversification. It provides a safety net and opens up more opportunities for growth. Let's consider Richard Branson for a moment. This billionaire didn't build his wealth by sticking to one industry. Instead, he diversified, creating the Virgin Group, which controls more than 400 companies in various sectors. From music to airlines, telecommunications to space travel, Branson's diverse income streams have not only protected him against downturns in individual markets, but also provided him with numerous opportunities for growth. The beauty of diversified income is that it's not just for billionaires. Anyone can reap its benefits. You don't need to start 400 companies like Branson, but you can explore side hustles, make wise investments, or even start a small business that aligns with your interests and skills. Start with what you know and are passionate about. If you're into photography, for instance, you could sell prints online or offer freelance services on the side. Or, if you have a knack for investing, you could diversify your portfolio to include stocks, bonds, and real estate. The key is to start small and gradually expand. As you gain experience and confidence, you can explore more diverse income opportunities. And remember, diversification is not just about protection, it's about growth. By diversifying your income, you're not only safeguarding your financial future, but also giving yourself the chance to significantly increase your wealth. So, start exploring side hustles, investments, or business opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Who knows? The next diverse income stream you create could be the one that propels you towards billionaire status. The fifth and final secret of billionaires is that they take calculated risks. This doesn't mean they throw caution to the wind and hope for the best. Quite the opposite. They meticulously analyze potential outcomes, weigh the pros and cons, and make informed decisions that are bold, yet strategic. Let's take Steve Jobs, for instance. His decision to launch the iPhone was a huge risk. At the time, Apple was not a major player in the mobile phone market, and the iPhone was a revolutionary product that was unlike anything on the market. But Jobs, with his keen understanding of technology and consumer desires, saw the potential. And we all know how that turned out. So how can you harness the power of calculated risks? Start by identifying opportunities that align with your goals. Evaluate the potential risks and rewards. Make informed decisions, but don't shy away from stepping out of your comfort zone. So, remember to evaluate potential risks and rewards before making decisions, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. So there you have it, the 5 secrets of billionaires that you need to put into practice to get rich in 2024. Set clear goals and envision your future. Be a lifelong learner. Network and build strong relationships. Diversify your income streams. And don't shy away from taking calculated risks. It's time to apply these secrets and pave your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these secrets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.